Okay then, because I'm bored again, I'm going to be making a Creatures 3 video. Just starting again. I'm gonna have Aquanauns and some Civicnauns. Well, actually, let's have a Civicnaun, and a female Falletnaun. Okay. Let's take her, put her in the pond. I'm going to move the transporter because they always use it and then get lost and die. Her name's going to be called, she's going to be called, Nora. That's Nora, my first Aquanaun. My second Aquanaun, put him down with Nora. I know, I'll give them the little toy as well. He's going to be called, Dean. I have a special thing that it instantly teaches them how to talk somewhere. Oh look, someone's hatched. I hate looking through all the ones I've downloaded. Transporter room. Oh look, I got little Yoshi toys. These are so cool. They bounce. Watch. But it's really funny when you do this. Right? When you throw more than one. Heh. I thought they bounced a lot more than that. Vocabularizer, there it is. I know, I'll put some. In fact, I'll put that in there. Now all my creatures should be able to talk. Put the Yoshis in there. Who's that? My Falletnaun is Nina. And oh, my Civicnaun is gonna be Lewis. Oh, should you be eating those? Come with me. Don't cry. Look, there are lots of food in here. Lots of food in here. Look. Here, you can have these toys. Don't be afraid of them. See, you just said you're happy. Now where's Nina? See, they're gonna live down there for their childhood. Because you need to protect them from evil things. Tomatoes, I'm gonna feed them with tomatoes. Give me more tomatoes. See, aren't they cute? Oh, stupid bats. Stop scaring the Nauns. Wait a minute. I'll kill that one. Well, I'm not really killing them, I'm just getting rid of them. Whoops! Whoops, there goes my webcam. Never mind. See? I want the greenhouse in there so it looks like I'm looking after them a lot. And look, it looks like there's a little thing in there, but there's not. Stop hitting him! No. Oh, she likes Lewis. His name isn't Lewis, it's Lewis. Oh look, they're kissing each other's bottoms. Bottom. They've been alive for 2 minutes and they're already kissing and talking illegibly. Anyway, I'll keep you updated with the goings on in the Norn house. Bye bye.